Hi again. In this demo, I'll show you the broadcaster application demo, specifically the geofencing part. So here with me, I have the two applications that I have created. I'll go to the broadcaster application and I'm not registered right now. So yes, I have to sign up. So I'll go to the sign up option. I'll fill out my details that let's say it's the Big Bazaar and the mobile number that we want to use. This is the VPA on which we want to receive the payment. And we have to enter the PIN. After this, we just need to choose geolocation. So here I have used the Phoenix Market City Mall from the Pune because it has multi-level stores. So I want to show you the demo what to do when we have multi-levels also. So as you can see you can see that we have got the levels here. So this is the -1 level, this is the ground level, this is the first floor of the Phoenix Market, and this is the second level. So we can choose where we want to establish our geofencing according to the altitude. Suppose I want to set this into this rectangular area. So what I have to do is I just have to long press here. Now you can see that the boundaries are exceeding, so we can adjust it using these two buttons. It is perfectly circumferencing my shop's area. So after this, what I have to do is just use this location to register the app and the details will be sent to the server. So after that I just have to log in into my application and it will be done. So this was when the user want to register. Now I will be showing you what will happen when we will enter this geofenced region. So this demo is particularly for when we will enter that region. So suppose I once again choose this Phoenix Market City to just show you. I'll increase its size. Suppose I just cover the full Phoenix Market City and I'll choose on my location. So this is my location and this is Phoenix Market City, which has been mapped with its geolocation. So whenever I will enter into this location, I'll get the notification that open this app and you want to do this thing, or open this app to do your payment. Now I cannot go to that area right now, so I'll bring this geofence location closer to me. So let's say I bring this geolocation this much closer to me. I'm still far away, so I bring it more closer. And you can see that I'm just like aside the boundary when I have to enter this region. So what I'll do is I'll keep increasing its area till it catches my location to see how it will increasing the area. So the GPS was not accurate, but as soon as we entered into this location, it is showing me the notification geofence transition enter, geofence transition enter, geofence transition exit. So we have exited also the location. So GPS at sometimes